Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to remove age restrictions on YouTube. So if you're also wondering how, you may just follow up this process and watch this video till the end for that. Open up the YouTube app either on your mobile or your desktop, and once you open it up, you can go over and tap on your profile icon or your channel icon in the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, it will open up like this on your screen. Now the next step you need to do is go ahead and go to your settings. So look out for the settings icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and that should open up your settings here. Within settings, you can just go ahead and find and select the option called general. Head over and tap on it, and that should open up the space right here. Under here, you should be finding a section for restricted mode in the third last option. So locate that option right there, and you can toggle the setting to the off position. It should appear grayed out. So if this option is turned on like this, in order to remove it, you just need to turn it off by tapping on it, and it should gray out, indicating that the age restriction has been removed on YouTube. And that is it. If you have more issues, you can directly visit an administrator that will help you set the restriction of your mobile network provider and content filters enable it. And that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to remove age restrictions on YouTube, this is the easiest guide you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.